Hello, my name is Ioana Anghelescu, and I am a student and resident in Strong Residential College. I am a BFA in studio art with a concentration in printmaking and drawing, as well as an anthropology minor. The following presentation is titled Understanding Cultural Perspectives, the Importance of Body Modifications in Non-Western Cultures. I was interested in this topic due to my background in art as well as anthropology, as well as experiences and encounters that I've faced throughout the years, which helped contribute to my topic. As a modified individual, I faced quite a lot of stigma and negative assumptions about me due to the fact that I'm young and I already have quite a lot of visible body modifications, such as tattoos and piercings. The photo in this presentation is actually a photo of my legs, and those cat tattoos are actually on my knees. So I feel like that's pretty intimidating enough, right? I've had individuals assume negative aspects about me. I've been publicly harassed, and I find it funny that I have actually been in quite a few encounters where mothers have pulled their children away from me due to my modifications, so mostly my tattoos. I've been judged a lot due to the simple art and ink embedded underneath my skin, and the same can be said for other individuals in my shoes. The overall purpose of my research project was to break the stigma associated with body modifications by informing the public of their use in other cultures and the rich history behind them in order to oversee negative connotations and negative stigmas, as well as stereotypes associated with the practice. Overall, different cultures use an array of body modifications in order to meet and communicate a variety of things, from beauty to social status and ranking. But here in Western society, body modifications such as tattoos and piercings are often associated with gang members, individuals that have been to prison, or even sex workers and delinquents. The practice itself has been around for so long and it still faces stigma. My project is a way to show the bigger picture associated with the practice in order to break down negative stigma that has been overshadowing it for thousands of years. In a way, body modifications don't hinder individuals from doing anything. They're just an aesthetic choice that some people choose to participate in, and they've had a long and rich history all over the world. I personally view them as a way of art, but other individuals don't really quite see eye to eye with me. Overall, art and anthropology always tend to find a way to intertwine themselves within my work. I am especially interested in cultural anthropology and learning about different cultures within their cultural context. Context in general, within anything, is very important. So within art, context is there to inform the viewer about a piece, possibly a meaning, and the process behind the artist's thinking. Cultural contexts are no different. Cultural contexts are extremely important when it comes to almost anything, context in general. So in order for you to understand cultural context, you have to immerse yourself within that culture in order to understand the bigger picture without any bias. So that's the main point of my project, immersing individuals within the rich history behind it in order to oversee the negative assumptions that have been made over the past thousands of years. Although this topic is still being accepted slowly into modern day society, it's still difficult to talk about. There are many ways to view this topic, but in the case of my project, I'm viewing this topic, body modifications, as a work of art, or a collections of art that can be produced worldwide within different cultures, and in a way I am trying to explain it and have it accepted into our society. It's slowly being accepted. It's far more accepted today than it used to be, but there are still negative stigmas associated with it, and as I've said earlier, the negative always seems to outweigh the positive. I know my project will not agree with everyone, not everybody's going to agree with it, but I'm hoping that this project is used to teach and inform the public about body modifications in order to eliminate the stigma associated with them and to open up a better understanding of them within cultural practices and their context in general.